Okay, I'm putting the EGR valve on this van because air was escaping from this unit right here. So I got this screw out right here. Down there, if you can see it. That's where the screw is at, but it goes into here. See, it moves around. I'm trying to take the other screw out right here. So, it's kind of tight under here, but I'm getting it. So, once I get this off, let me see. Take this off by hand right now. It's hard doing stuff with one hand. Hold on, let's see. Put this back under here and see if I can just screw it. Get out here. Yeah, by hand. Come on now. It's just 2 screws. You gotta take this off. This goes into there. So you clamp that off. Take that 1 screw off here, which is there. And then there's a screw there. And then there's a gasket under there. So with the new part, you get a new gasket and a new EGR valve. I got the part from O'Reilly's, and they charged me $78 plus tax. So it was 87 some bucks for the unit. You save a lot of money when you do it yourself, because if you take this to a shop, I guarantee it's going to be all of $200, $250 just to put this EGR valve on. They charge a lot for labor. I kind of don't blame them, because working on cars ain't real easy, for real. I got a passion for it, so I got a little patience. But let me take this screw out right here. See if I can screw this out. So what was happening was my check engine light came on. And I had 4 codes that come up. And I found out what those codes were. And one of them was the EGR valve. And the other one was like, it was telling me the air was escaping. It could do damage to the catalytic converter. So I didn't hesitate on this one. I hesitate to try to wait to get this one done. Come on out. Okay, now that's out. And then just lift the unit out of here. Woo, it's hot. Just drove all the way from downtown Chicago all the way to Salt Village. So the car is hot, but I'm trying to get this done before it get dark. So this is the old unit. And here's the gasket on here, I think. Here's the old gasket. No good. And here's the new gasket that I gotta take out. And here's the new part right here. That's the new part. That's the old part. It's the new part. It's the new gasket. And down here, I just dropped it. It's the old gasket. So you're just gonna do that in reverse. You're gonna put the gasket on top, put the unit on top, put a screw in here, right here, and then put a screw right there, bolt it down, and then this gonna go on top of it because it's another little screw to go in it. So, yeah, I just took out the other screw. I don't know, let's see, did I put it in here? I almost doubt it because I'm gonna walk over here. But those are the 2 screws. And then I need that other screw that I had. Very important. Alright, so you just do that in reverse. Real easy. After you put the gasket in, put the unit on, put the 2 screws in, bolt it down, attach that with the little nut on it, and then you put this back, plug it in. Plug that into the unit. So you plug it into this right here. Don't forget to disconnect your battery. And what that's going to do is it's going to reset the system. So when you put everything back together and you start the car and drive it, the check engine light going to go out. Alright, I hope that was helpful for somebody. This is a 99 Chevy Venture van. It had a bad EGR valve. Here it is, the gasket. And there's the new unit. I'm about to do it in reverse. So let's get it crack-a-lacking. I hope that was helpful for some of y'all out there. All right, check y'all later. Peace.